cutting the herbs, going foraging, getting fish for the market, butchering all the fish. All these small rituals can take on a unique significance depending on their intention. The flavors and the history of the islands are for me an endless source of inspiration. Exploring what nature offers, experimenting the joy of cooking and sharing food is what makes my everyday kind of extraordinary. It's not all about the food. You know, it's also about the story behind it and the story that links everything.